Everyone, today we are talking about how to create digital stickers to sell on Etsy in Canva. So let's get started. First, open Canva. If you haven't created a Canva account yet, you can sign up now. Once you are in, choose a size of your sticker. You can select any size that suits your design, but I am using a full-sized page because it will be creating multiple stickers on a single page. Now I am giving my page a title. Since I am making these stickers for kids, I will label this project kids. To make first sticker, I will search for a ready-made element in Canva. Customize it to create an original design. This one looks good. So let's select it and add some text to give it a unique touch. Now it's looking perfect. To give it the appearance for a real sticker, you will save this design as an image and use it on another page. First, I will add a background to this page, then download the image as PNG file and upload it again. After uploading, I will remove my unnecessary parts from the image. From uploading, I will remove any unnecessary parts from the image. To make it look like a sticker, go to Edit Image, then select Shadow and choose Glow. Set the transparency to 100, blur to 0 and increase the size of the shadow. Now the design has a sticker-like appearance. This is the final design I am showing in this video. I won't go through the rest of my designs in detail, but I will be using the exact same method for the others. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.